In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to properly clean your contact lenses. These 3 steps are scrubbing, storing, and soaking. Each one of these methods requires a different contact lens solution, though all-in-one solutions are available. Step 1. Scrubbing. This step should occur before you put the contact lens in your eye and after you take it out. You should wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before you begin. First, place the contact in the palm of your hand. Next, take your other hand and apply the contact lens solution to the contact until the contact is submerged in the solution. Then take your index finger and gently rub the contact on both sides for 10 to 15 seconds. Be sure to scrub gently. Scrubbing the contact lens too aggressively may cause the contact to tear and make it unsuitable for use. Step 2. Storing. After you have scrubbed both sides of the contact lens, place the contact inside a contact lens case and fill the reservoir up with contact lens soaking solution until the contact is completely submerged. Make sure that the contact lens is completely covered and not folded, or the soaking solution will not be able to reach all parts of the contact. Once the contact is in the case, which is filled with solution, screw the case cap on securely. After the cap is screwed on, do not turn the case upside down or on its side. Doing so could cause the contact to slide out of the solution and not be properly cleaned. Step 3. Soaking. Once your contacts are stored properly in the contact lens case, let them soak in the solution overnight or as directed. After soaking for the proper amount of time, your contact should be free of dirt and debris and ready to be placed into your eyes. If there is still dirt or debris on your contact lens, you can repeat step 1 before inserting the contact into your eye.